Well, going up on is like you guys. My apologies, I'm under the weather. But for today's video, we have Cardi B. She did an interview where she was asked if she knows Lincoln Tree Dot and the similarity between the song. And this is what Cardi B has to say.
We good?
Bong, 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 bong,
Nigga, eat this ass like a.
I ain't playing with you. Bang, 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 yeah, bang, 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 yeah, bang, yeah, bang, bang, bang. She got calling your head, ha, bang, bang, yeah, bang, yeah, bang, bang. When I'm in your house, I'm in head, ha, bang, yeah, bang, 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 bang. She got calling your head, ha, bang, bang, yeah, bang, yeah, bang, bang. When I'm in your house, I'm in head. Watch it roll it for me on.
Bongos. Would you like to address that rumor for the people that believe it, or just let
Yes,
it
that is.
go?
You know, the thing about it is, I never heard of him. I never heard of that song. But it's just like I said, this why you need to this how you need educate yourself, because bong is something that is it's Brazilian funk. You know what I'm saying? It's Brazilian funk. So y'all saying that is like, you look so stupid because you really then copying somebody else's culture and you don't even realize that. You dummy, big dummy. I wish he tried to sue. He gonna lose bad.
Okay, because baby, your lawyers are the GOAT. Your
Like,
lawyers are
come on now. It's like always sounded incomplete because the hook, like bong bong bong, I was like, I just want to let this ride out because this is so addicting, but it still sounded incomplete. So then I started putting my verses on it, like where like the parts where Megan is at, like when you hear it, like thing, but it just sounded to me like a long ass song.